Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.6 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter, then click on download or download. See, at the time of installation the latest release is 17.6. Okay, click on download, then select operating system family as Linux, then select the Linux distribution. See here we have the Ubuntu. Select Ubuntu. See here the PostgreSQL APT repository supports current versions of Ubuntu 25.04, 24.10, 24.04, 22.04 and 20.04. Okay. Then we have to run these commands one by one. See here we have 4 steps. First we are going to import the signing key. Then we are going to create the repository configuration file, then we are going to updating the package list, then we are going to install PostgreSQL Server. Okay, so copy these commands one by one and install. Open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Control L to clear screen. Next, import the signing key. It is done. Control A. Now, create the repository configuration file by running these 2 commands. Now update the packages, sudo apt update, hit enter. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server, sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you don't give the version, it will install the latest version. So like if you want to install 16, you have to give 16. If you want to 15, give -15. Okay. I want to install latest version, so hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 17. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is downloading 17.6. See, you have successfully installed. Also see here the default connections. See, this is the data directory. Default max connection limit is 100. Default shared buffer size is 128 megabytes, and this is the default time zone. This is taken as per the time of the mission. Okay. Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is enabled and it is active and running. Okay, quit. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected, but this is not the PostgreSQL Server version. It is PSQL client version. Okay, to find the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.6. Quit. Control A. Now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL installation. /du or see, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. Or we can get the list of the users by running command select username from pg_user. See, we got the username. Okay. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. See, we have successfully set the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify list of databases /shell. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Quit. You can also get the list of the databases by running the command. Select dat name from pg underscore database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Now verify the same \l. See, we have the database bank, and this is the one of the database, and the remaining are the settings. Okay, you took it. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect. Either is same, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Okay, now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table in this database. Create table customer. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table. Type is table. Owner is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Ctrl L to clear screen. Insert. Sorry, above one is wrong. Ctrl C. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create a user. Create user. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify. See, we have created new user. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. / q is the command to exit from the current session. Ctrl A. PSQL -u must be caps. Then provide the new username. That is David -h. Which means host name, localhost. Because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Or you can give IP or host name. Okay. Then -d Postgres. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to switch to database that we have created bank. Then verify the whether we can able to run queries against the table that we have created in this database. \c is the command. Okay. Now try to access the customer table. See, permission denied for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will find the configuration files and data directory, log directory locations. Okay, Ctrl A. Show config underscore file. See, this is the main configuration file. It is there in this directory. Okay. If you want to find the HBA file, show HBA underscore file. Okay. If you want to find the data directory, show data underscore direct. And if you want to find the log directory, show log direct. Okay, see, we got all. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server 17.6 on Ubuntu 24.04. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user, so exit from this user. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay. Also, we can verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active Okay, go to quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17.6 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.